Good morning, children. Let us begin a new chapter. Alexander the Great. Alexander was a king who has conquered over half of the world. He invaded India, and many interesting incidents happened at that time. One of the incidents has been mentioned in your book. Let us read about it. Alexander, the king of Macedonia, was a great general. He conquered Greece and Persia. He was ambitious and wanted a big empire. He invaded India. Puru was the king of northern India. He was famous for his bravery and courage. He led his huge army to fight Alexander. Alexander's army was small. A fierce battle then ensued. When his soldiers saw the hordes of Indian foot soldiers and majestic elephants, they became a little nervous. Alexander, however, was not afraid. He led them bravely, and a deadly battle was fought. So, now what happened? Alexander was the king of Macedonia. He was a very great and a very brave general. General, you can say that he was a great soldier. He has till then conquered, that means he has gone victory over Greece and Persia. These are the name of two cities. Now, Alexander was very ambitious and he wanted to expand his empire, his boundaries to other countries also. So, for the same reason he attacked India. Invaded means attacked. So, when Alexander invaded India, at that time, Puru was the king in the northern India. Puru was very famous as he was very brave and courageous. Puru had a large army, and with his large army, he went to fight Alexander. Now, as compared to Puru's army, Alexander's army was very small. So, when both the armies fought the battle, fierce, you can say a very frightening battle was sure. Now, when Alexander's soldier they saw the Indian soldiers coming towards them, and there were a number of soldiers, foot soldiers, which used to march on foot. There were majestic elephants. So when they saw Puru's army, Alexander's army became a little nervous. But Alexander was not at all afraid. In fact, he encouraged his army to fight bravely, and hence a very deadly battle was fought between Puru's and Alexander's army. Puru's elephants proved no match for Alexander's horses. They were swift and raced like the wind. They broke the right, middle, and the left flanks of Puru's army and penetrated to the center. Elephants took fright and ran wild. By evening, there was utter confusion on the battlefield. Puru, however, continued to fight bravely. He was badly wounded, but with blood flowing from his wounds, he killed hundreds of Alexander's soldiers. At last, he fainted and was taken captive. So, when though the army of Alexander was small and Puru's army was large, but even having a large army, the Alexander's horses were much better than Puru's elephants. The horses were swift, that means they were very fast and they ran like wind. They broke the right, middle, and left, you can say, boundary of Puru's army and then reached the center. And seeing the brave horses of Alexander's army, even the elephants of Puru's army, they were frightened and they ran here and there like wild elephants. Till evening, there was a lot of confusion in the battlefield. Though Puru's army was not that much brave, but Puru was continued to fight bravely. He was badly wounded. Wounded means that he was injured. He had a lot of injuries on his body. Blood was flowing from his injuries, but then also he killed many of Alexander's soldiers. And Puru fought bravely. But at last, because he was wounded, he was injured, he fainted, he lost his conscience, and then he was made prisoner by Alexander's soldiers. So dear students, today we are going to read that much only in this video. The rest of the part will be covered in the next video. Hope you have understood it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.